Sweet Toy Rush. I'm Mama KP.
I'm Kyrrah.
And this is Kaylin, aka the little baby. Yeah, we're gonna get ready to eat, but first we gotta summon Sprinkles. You gonna summon Sprinkles? Remember how? You gotta hit it 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sprinkles! Hi, Sprinkles. Oh, yummy. Look at this. This looks amazing. What is going on? What are we gonna do today? We're gonna make superhero cookies. Yay, superhero theme. Thank you, Sprinkles. Oh, let me put this on the table. And look at lots of Sprinkles. Oh, she brought us some cookies. All right, Sprinkles, thank you so much. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun. Have a good day. Bye. Bye. So, we're gonna make superhero cookies today. Yay! Yeah! But you know what? We gotta get dressed for the occasion. You ready? Now we are dressed the part. Now we can make our superhero cookies. So there's one for me. Let's look at Sprinkles. All right. Look at, so we got all different colors. You can paint it. We got some sprinkles. We got eyeballs. We got fruit roll-ups. So let's go ahead and decorate. What you want to put on your cookie, Kaylin? Do a purple mask. Look at wow, you got the purple. Here, you want some sprinkles? Ooh. Put the eyeballs on. Look, put the eyeballs on. Oh, here's a golden red one. That's what I wanted. Because I'm going to use this as the cape. I got my cape and I got my superhero. Let me see yours. Let's see. Let's show everybody yours. Ooh. Let me see yours.
Mine's colorful.
Oh, it's so cool. Now it's time to eat them. Remember? That was so good. Does everybody like your cookies? Did you like your cookies? I'll take that as a yes. Well, now that we're all done with our superhero cookies, it's time for a toy rush. Let's go for a toy rush. Let's go, come on. Let's go for a toy rush. Woo-hoo. All right, hi friends. We are ready for a toy rush. Today we have a very messy game. It's called Messy Hero. So how this game works is we have a bunch of Tupperwares up here that are suspended upside down, and they're filled with random things. Some of them have winning ones full of sprinkles. Some of them are filled with not so fun stuff. And it's gonna go all over the top of our head. We're gonna sit underneath one, pull a string. Hopefully it's a winning one. If it's a winning one, it'll be full of sprinkles, along with a piece of paper that tells us which box that person gets to open. If it's not a winning one, it's going to be very messy. I will just say that. So you ready to play? Okay, so who goes first? I'm gonna go first. All right, I'll go first. I'm going to pick. We have, the Black Panther. So, I'm gonna sit underneath this one. Oh! Yay! And I get to open Spider-Man. All right, we're gonna open up this one. Help me open it up. Spider-Man You want to shoot this? Hey, look, Kaylin.
Okay, now it's my turn, and I pick Flash. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, SpaghettiOs.
It stinks.
Okay, it's my turn. Oh, I hope I don't get nothing worse than SpaghettiOs. Okay, we're gonna pick this one. Let me get underneath it. Superman, right? I got flour. Not a winner, but I'm still winning. 1-0. Kyrrah's turn.
You done it!
2.
Oh!
And the paper inside. Batman! What is this? Whoa! It's a mask.
Time to armor up.
This is so cool. Whoa! This is so cool. I'm Batman.
Switch to active sonar.
Whoa.
Okay, that's cool.
This is so weird.
Alright, it's my turn. We're tied 1-1, and it's my turn to get some more sprinkles. I'm gonna pick this one in the far corner. What is this one? This one is Captain America. Oh, it's mustard. All right, Kyrrah's turn.
1, 2, 3. And I have
Supergirl!
You see the dog? That's Supergirl. Dun, 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 dun. I think your toys are now Kaylin's toys. You like them? All right, so now Kyrrah's winning. She's got 2 points. I have 1. It's my turn, and I'm going to go find me another point. Let's see. I'm going to go with Thor. I got sprinkles! All right. I got Iron Man. What's in there? What's in there? Look. Oh, it's a bowling kit. Yay! Right. Woo! Good job.
Now me and my mom are tied 2-2, and now it's my turn, and I'm gonna win this one. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
What's up?
It's egg yolk!
All right, now we're still tied 2-2. It's Mommy's turn. Kyrrah just got egg on her head. Can't imagine there could be anything worse, so it's my turn. I'm gonna go, let me go with this back one. Let's see, Wolverine. Come on, don't let me down, Wolverine. I need to see some sprinkles. Oh, it's syrup. Oh, it's so sticky. Oh,
Me and my mom are still tied 2-2, so now it's my turn. I'm gonna go with Aquaman because I love that movie. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Applesauce!
what is it?
Applesauce.
Applesauce. My turn again. So, I mean, there's still 2 more boxes to open. There's still 1, 2, 3, 4 more. So I have a 50-50 chance of getting sprinkles. So I'm gonna go with this one that's sitting right here. It's what is it? Green Lantern. Let's go with the Green Lantern. Sprinkles. Oh! Oh my God, it's cherries. Oh, that wasn't sprinkles. And it's Kyrrah's turn.
Okay, so me and my mom are still tied 2-2, and she just got cherries on herself, so I hope I don't get anything worse. So I'm gonna go with Spider-Man. Do me justice. I got sprinkles! It's sticking to me too. And it's Captain America!
What is it?
It's a Nerf gun?
Oh, you know what? That goes to the one that we got earlier, the Spider-Man. They all connect to each other to make one big giant gun. Show them the back.
It's a gun, and now it's a...
Thank you, Kaylin. Look it. And these 2 attach to each other. How? I don't know. I know this can go like this. Whoa. Now you can make a jumbo gun. There you go.
That's so cool. And then you have a little telescope and look around.
All right, so Kyrrah just found another sprinkles. Now she got another point. She now has 3 points. Mommy has 2 points. There are 2 left. So 1 is filled with sprinkles and 1 isn't filled with sprinkles. So let's go do this. All right, let's hope that this is the last one full of sprinkles. Oh my gosh, what is that? It looks like slime. So I guess Kyrrah automatically wins. This must be the sprinkles. Go ahead, get the sprinkles.
Oh, yeah.
Kyrrah wins.
Whoa.
What is it? Superhero battle. Rock 'em. Oh, that's so cool.
Knock him off his block.
Bye. KO.
I win.
I'm just losing all the way around. Alright, so Kyrrah won fair and square. This is a jar of unicorn sugar cookies. So since I'm the loser, not only does she get to brag, but she gets to dump this on my head. Go for it. It's not worse than any of the stuff I already got poured on my head.
I'm ready. Oh no. Okay.
Thank you guys for joining us for our Sweet Toy Rush episode. Messy Hero. Don't forget to subscribe to see some more awesome videos, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye!